good guys, another day, another condo. So right now, nandito tayo sa Lush Residences. So nandito tayo sa balcony ng one bedroom natin. Ito pala yung view natin from here sa balcony. Yan, ito yung Ayala Avenue. Yan, mas ma-appreciate natin yung view guys sa gabi dahil makikita natin yung city lights. Right now naman, puntahan naman natin yung dress-up unit natin. So this is the one bedroom by Good Home. So ito yung our home package natin. So kasama na yung bed, yan. Then yung aircon and wardrobe natin. So sa deliverable natin, meron na tayong partition. So sliding door na siya. Kasama na rin to sa package natin itong table with 2 seats. Meron na rin tayong TV and sofa. For appliances din natin, kasama na tong microwave and ref. Sa toilet and bath, kasama na tong top load washing machine natin. Ayan, so automatic siya. Plus the water heater. And sa deliverables natin, kasama na rin yung itong shower head and yung shower assembly natin. So, ganito yung sa kitchen natin. Ayan. Kasama na itong hanging cabinet. And then, lower cabinets, which is meron tayong grease trap to prevent yung pagbabara. So, meron na rin tayong range hood and cooktop. Ayan. So, our home package, 270,000 siya na pwede nating isabay sa total price ng unit natin and installment din yung payment niya. So, hindi siya masyadong mabigat. Let's check naman yung other option natin, which is SM Home. Ayan. So, meron na rin tayong hanging and lower cabinet. And sa toilet and bath, meron na rin tayong top load washing machine, water heater and shower inclusion. Ayan. So this is 235,000 na pwede rin nating bayaran installment. Kasama na rin yung refrigerator and microwave, a 2-seater table and television, and also the sofa. Meron na rin tayong partition and wardrobe and also bed. So, kasama na rin yung aircon. And if we choose to avail a unit facing Ayala Avenue, ito yung magiging view natin from our balcony. So, yan, napakaganda niya. So, for more information and kung gusto nila ng sample computation, just contact me. Lalagay ko yung number ko dito. It's like another condo. It's for good kay Maverick Manguera. So right now,